Alright YouTube, what is up? Theldon here, and we back with another video. But today is cooking with Theldon. So yeah, let's get ready. Today we're gonna be making some Van Kemp's chili with no beans, because I don't like the beans in there. But okay. So we need a pot with our chili, which we're getting right now. It's okay. As you can see, here we are. Where the pot is at? Okay. I think I should be able to get one out of the Y'all see this, bruh? It was right in my face. Alright. Alright, here we are. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Hold up. Okay, good, because the lighting was like horrible over there. Alright. So first thing you want to do is get your can opener. If you don't know how to do this, it's as simple as 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So let's go ahead and get the pot hot. Well, not the pot. What am I saying? Okay. So you want to take your can of chili, put it up to the can opener, like this. Oh, I forgot how to do. No, you gotta lift it up like that. Alright. Then, yeah, you're good. And then you're straight, bro. I'll be back momentarily while I get the top of the can out of the actual chili. So, after you're done, opening your can, what you want to do... Oh, John, let me get my phone away from that. So, what you want to do now is you want to take your can of chili and begin to pour it into the pot like this. Make sure to get all of your chili out so you can have your meal to the fullest and have it delicious like that. The amount of chili will not... I just got some on my finger, but that's okay. No bean chili. Just meat. So, after you're done doing that, you want to slowly take your spoon and put it in the soup. After you finish doing that, you're going to go throw the can away. No recycling, because I don't have a recycling can. All I have is a trash can, so deal with it, man. This is the only available mixing spoon I have right now, so after you pour it into the pot, what you want to do... Oh wait, I need to get the other ingredients. Okay, So what I like to do when I prepare my chili is I have Taco Bell fire sauce and cheese. So let's get started. What you want to do is mix the chili. Okay. Like this, just keep mixing. Now we're gonna add our cheese. Alright, here we go. Add our cheese in here. Now mix it some more. Now we're gonna add some Taco Bell fire sauce. As you can see, fire sauce. Where do I put I'm gonna just put it right there on the counter. And mix it some more. What you can do, take some more cheese. And you want to put that in there because I like my chili extra cheesy. Just like my jokes. Okay. Now I'm gonna take another packet of Taco Bell fire sauce. You know, I gotta okay. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. But anyway, I'm not yeah, we're just gonna keep cooking. Just mix it together. I'm gonna put some more cheese in there. Alright. Oh Junk, I got some cheese on the eye. Oh Junk. That junk stink, bro. Ever smell burnt cheese? Leave in the comments if you have. That junk stink. Oh. Yeah, you see that, bro? That's burnt cheese. Actually, you got some cheese on the eye. Put some more fire sauce in there because I want it to be spicy. You already know what I gotta do. Fortnite salty thing only with cheese, so it'll be called cheesy because you know that's what that joke was again. It'll be called cheesy instead of salty. Well, okay. See, once your chili starts to bubble like it is now, that's when you know it's time to get it out of here. The thing is, I just like to add my extra things to it. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese. Okay. And, but yeah, after you complete all these steps, the fire sauce and the cheese is optional, but that's how I like my chili. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, because you'll be helping a good cause, because you're actually every minute you're not turning that subscribe button red into gray, you're hurting my life. The only way to save my life is subscribe. Not really though. You can just. Well, if you like this video, please show me you liked it by hitting that like button. And if you disliked it, just dislike the video. Like, I don't even care. Just hit that dislike button if you disliked it. 'Cause it's your opinion. I don't care I don't care about your opinion. It's your opinion. But I really like it. I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. No. Alright, now we're pouring the chili into the bowl. I don't think I need to show that part because you know it's not that important. And if you're going to be a good chef, always clean up after yourself. Okay. Now let's just show the footage of me being a good chef and cleaning up after myself. Okay. Alright, but yeah, like I said, thanks for watching, and oh wait, another thing. I know my background art on my channel, it says upload every other weekend at 6 p.m. That's only for my gaming videos, like vlogs and stuff like this. That's during the week. But if you like the video, like this. If you didn't like it, dislike, subscribe, and yeah. Peace.